should take it slow.
Hey, what's up guys? Doing a vlog video today. Haven't done a vlog video in a while. Been waiting on a lot of parts. Been, some stuff didn't fit, some stuff, went well, some stuff didn't. So, coming back to you with yet another update video for the Supra build. Trying to think of what I did in the last video. I don't even know. I'm just gonna kind of do a clean start here, go over the build, what I've done recently. I got my ETS 5-inch intercooler on. Got the piping mocked up for one side. Looks like that should go pretty well on that side. This side, I'm gonna have to cut a hole or have a shop cut a hole and weld some pipe. Haven't really decided if I'm gonna do that myself. And it's gonna come out of here and go straight up into it. This is like 4-inch pipe, I think. This is 4-inch pipe, so it looks like it's like 4-inch intercooler piping. This side's like 3. That should be pretty cool. So I'm gonna have. I also got my tile blow-off valve there in purple to match the fuel injectors. It'll be kind of discreet. I mean, the fuel injectors have the little purple tops on them. And obviously, blow-off valve's gonna be kind of tucked behind the bumper. You're not really gonna be able to see it, but got to keep some sort of color theme going. And then. What else? Oh, so I'm gonna be releasing a video maybe like a day after I put this one up, or 2 days, about the IS300 radiator. Got an IS300, or not IS300 radiator. It's a regular Supra Koyo aluminum radiator, but it has IS300 dual electric fans. Brand new IS300 Lexus fans on there, and then obviously a Powerhouse Racing IS300 fan shroud. Got the hoses hooked up. Gotta get the bolts for these, but clamps are already be bolted down. Just gotta clamp the hoses down. Got a cap. Trying to figure out, it's like a coolant temperature sensor. I ordered one, it didn't fit. Figure out what to do with that. On the bottom, probably gonna have to order their wiring harness for the motors to hook up to the body wiring harness that's gonna go in here soon. So there's that. So the intercooler and the radiator, put those on. I still have to take out, there's an extra fuel line I have to take out right here. No, right here. I have to take that out. I'm going to take also the other fuel line out, the return and the feed, because I'm doing a whole new fuel system. And then I also have an extra, actually no, I already did that actually. See, I'm getting freaking so much stuff going on with this car, but I had an extra transmission line that I took out, and I have to, there's 2 more transmission lines I have to feed up, or just 1 more. I have to feed up to the clutch cylinder. I actually had I posted on Instagram. I had the turbo, I had the manifold and the turbo all mocked up, and I intended to bring the car to like an exhaust shop or my local super shop, but pretty much the answer I got was I should really, it's a lot of money making up an exhaust and having to freaking tow the car all the way out there and tow it back. It's stressful too. So what I ended up doing is I non-intentionally, I pretty much got the ETS twin scroll turbo kit. I pretty much pieced it together, and like I said, I didn't even plan to do that. So I hit up ETS, Extreme Turbo Systems, and they're gonna make me a 4-inch downpipe and midpipe for their twin scroll turbo system. So that required me to ship my turbo into my manifold. So they're currently making the downpipe and the midpipe, and I already have their 4-inch catback exhaust. And I have their intercooler and intercooler piping. So everything they make for the Supra I have. So if you work for ETS, you're watching this, you guys should sponsor me. But anyways, hopefully that should go well. And finally get the exhaust hooked up and intercooler piping hooked up on this side, and then throw the intake on. And I've already got, like I said, I'll throw in a video once I'm done talking I'll throw in a video of like, or maybe a picture of what it looked like when it was all mocked up. It looked freaking nice. But I had the wastegates hooked up, and I had the vacuum lines all hooked up. I had a boost controller. Everything's still hooked up. Boost controller wired in, hooked up. So everything should pop back together. But I'm gonna get the manifold back. I'll throw the manifold on, throw the turbo on. Getting new oil lines. I'm getting their oil line kit, the feed and the return. This was made for my other turbo kit. Then I can throw the wastegates on. They're making me dump tubes. They're making me obviously downpipe, midpipe. Throw the intake on. Like everything's gonna be all done on this side, hopefully. And then I can do the whole exhaust. I can throw the whole exhaust on. I should be getting that next week. Hopefully next weekend I'll be putting all that stuff on. I'd be psyched if they can meet that deadline. So that'll complete. Right now the engine's 50% done. Again, I feel like I've been in this scenario too many times, but hopefully this will be the last. And finally everything is looking like it's coming together. So I'll have the turbo and the manifold and everything on that side. And obviously intake's pretty much all done. Once I'm done with that side, I'm probably gonna order the Powerhouse Racing power steering kit. It relocates the power steering to like up over here, I believe. Like, and they give you lines and shit. So I'll get that done. I'm gonna do the whole power steering system. I got a cracked plug down there on the power steering rack. I gotta take care of that, and I can hook all that stuff up. Get the power steering done, and then probably order the catch can. I'm gonna order. I think it's Freed Engineering catch can. It goes here. Looks real nice. And they give you the hoses, and I have to take the valve covers off and either machine them myself or have the machine to fit 10 end fittings and hoses. So then after that, kind of getting carried ahead because I know that with builds, there's probably stuff I'm missing that I'm gonna find out. It's gonna take longer, but everything goes according to plan, which it has been lately. I haven't been getting a lot done. Once I do the power steering and the catch can, I'm going to do my fuel system. So I've started thinking about that, and that should go pretty well. I'm going to do a whole new fuel system. And yeah, that's pretty much what I'm looking at right now. I'm trying to think. It's pretty much everything. The car's really coming along, and I'm very happy with the progress I've been making. I'm really trying to have the thing. I want to be able to drive it. Maybe not have the interior done or exterior, but be able to at least turn it on and drive it by like summertime. So I mean, it's like March now, so we got what, like 3 months, 4 months. So yeah, it's looking pretty realistic. Like I said, I listed off everything else I have to do. I gotta do the fuel system, the wiring harness. The wiring harness, I tried reluming it, but the freaking wire loom I got was crappy. So I may redo it myself, or I may have just company reloom it. I don't think I'm gonna tuck it initially. I don't think I'm gonna tuck the harness or have the fuse box extended. I'll probably just redo the harness and this wire loom. The stuff that this company uses is way nicer than the stuff I ordered, but I'm gonna go with that. Maybe I'll have a company reloom it, and I'm gonna get a new fuse box because my fuse box is cracked right now, and just have it look nice. And maybe, who knows, maybe I won't have it tucked, maybe, or fuse box extended. I think that would look pretty nice with a nice wire loom. So we'll see how that looks. That's kind of getting ahead of myself. And I obviously got to order AM Infinity, but I mean, it's getting close. Everything's kind of finally coming along. Everything's coming along. I got multiple stuff going right now. I just finished the cooling system. Got the whole turbo system coming on the way next week. So then it's power steering. Then it's it's just thing after thing, just running down a checklist, getting stuff done. So that should be it for the engine. I'm gonna be doing some update videos. Like I said, I got the turbo and everything on the way, so gonna be doing a big video for that. I'm sure I'm missing stuff. I've had so much stuff I've been doing to the car recently, so many little things that can't remember everything I did, but that's pretty much it. Make sure you guys are subscribed. I'm gonna be coming out, like I said, with the IS300 radiator. Add that. I have a playlist of like new parts that a lot of people don't know about. I can't wait to do a video on the drive-by-wire throttle body. I mounted that up too. See, there's another thing I forgot about. Mounted the drive-by-wire throttle body up. Got it plugged in, so I can't wait to do a video on that. That's not really a common. A lot of people don't even know that exists for the Supra, the drive-by-wire Corvette throttle body, LS throttle body. Got the oil stick mounted too. Forgot about that. But yeah, so it's coming along. It's definitely coming along. If you guys have any questions, feel free to comment. Make sure you're subscribed and give it a like. Check out my Instagram. It's One Wicked Supra. I post a little bit more frequently on that, and you guys are more than welcome to ask me questions on that or anything. Yeah, thanks for watching.